I'm Savage Kid bringing you back another video. So anyways, you guys saw in the title I'll be doing the Nerf pouch review. So yeah, let's get right into this. So basically what I'm going to do is, it's basically a Nerf pouch that you can put on like your waist and all that. It has a hook right up here to put on your thingy. I didn't use my other shorts because they don't have this thing. So yeah, that's where the hook goes. And like straps right here to make it go on your waist or your leg or whatever. And it can hold it like on here. Pistols, as I have right here, the Triad. That's right. So you can basically, I don't know exactly, you can hide pistols in it, a Jolt or whatever. For right now I'm using the Triad. So yeah, you can just, and for running out of ammo, you can just use a pistol or whatever. So, and you can also hide ammo in here, like, just like in my case, you can hide the foam darts and the rifle balls. You can hide them both right here. They're supposed to be in the little one, the little pouch, but I'm using on the big pouch. And also, if you're out of ammo on either, like let's say the Nerf Apollo, like I'm using, you can just buy a taking cover, get one of these Nerf mags, rifle mags, slip it in, and take fire. So yeah, that's what you can do. Spare mags right here, so you put them right here, put them on your waist, and it's white and it's pretty cool. And yeah, it's made out of rubber, guys. Thumbs up for that. So guys, yeah, this is basically it for this Nerf pouch review. Please click like. It really helps the channel a lot. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And peace out. Click like for Nerf. I'm out.